Hello everybody, it's Freya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be a pack with me for Ottawa, which I'm super excited about. So here is my suitcase. I got it for 80 something at Marshall's. And it says it's a Martha Stewart suitcase, but I'm not sure if it's fake or not. But anyway, it is super cute. I think it's super cute. I think it really stands out. That's why I really like this bag when I saw it, because of all the little blue and white flowers on it. It just looks so cute, and the zippers. But the only things that I don't like about this bag is that this handle looks kind of cheapish, and just, I don't know. I don't really like it too much. I might try to cover it with some fabric when I get back. And the zippers are kind of not really good quality. So those are the cons of this bag, but overall this bag is super cute and it really stands out, and it's really vibrant rather than just a plain black bag. So that's that. And over here I got this other little travel bag. This is from Winners. It has the Roots label on it. I actually already packed some things in here, so I'll just show you quickly what I packed in here. Got some tissues and a spray-on liquid hand sanitizer bottle. So yeah, and I'm just gonna start packing this. I might do little portions day by day. So I'm gonna do first portion today, and the next portion I'll just gradually keep adding stuff, because I'm gonna be gone for 6 days. And the thing is, also, we are driving to Ottawa, so we're not flying. So we're actually gonna be gone for 6 days. It takes 1.5 days to drive there, and 1.5 days coming back, and we're gonna actually spend 3 days in Ottawa. So gotta actually pack for 6 days. So yeah, and I guess I'm gonna start packing today and just gradually keep adding stuff throughout the week. And then this bag, I do plan on adding more things, just not right now, just things that I will need when I'm actually on the road. So maybe I'll pack a book or something, or the camera in here. So right now I'm thinking of putting all my clothes in this section of my suitcase, and because it has the straps that I can adjust and stuff. And on this side I'm thinking of putting skincare and other random things, whatever I'll be bringing in here that doesn't go in here, or I'm thinking of taking another backpack if it doesn't fit everything in here. So yeah, that's the plan. This is my suitcase. This is my travel purse that I'm bringing, and this is my Kansas suitcase. All packed. So I did not finish all of my blog. I'm going to take a little bit of a break from the screen, and I'm hopefully going to go back to it later and finish it for good. And anyway, I am working on this super cute bracelet. I got this idea on Pinterest. I just thought it was so cute and I thought I'd try it. So it's just brown and pink thread, and there's mini hearts on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's mini hearts on there. It's a little bit blurry for the camera, but there's a mini heart design, and it's super cute. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how I weave this. So I have my 2 pink threads in the middle and my 2 brown threads on the sides. I folded the threads in half and I knotted it at the top. So I'm going to take this brown thread and just put it over and under, and then make that knot. And then I'm going to do that twice, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. But I just think that this is going to end up super cute, and I really like it already, but I will show you guys it when I finish it. Hopefully I want to finish it by the time I go on my trip. Alright, so that was 2. So now I'm going to split these pink strings in half and put these 2 brown strings in the middle, and then I'm going to do the same thing with these 2 in the middle. I'm just going to go 1 and then another one. And then just going to keep repeating that process until I finished. So that is that. And that's what I'll be doing for a little bit. Alright, I just wanted to update you guys on what else I'm bringing to Ottawa, since this is part packing video. So I have all my skincare products right here, moisturizers, my acne medicines, and lots more. And I'm going to be bringing all that, my toothbrush and stuff, in this mini little pink love bag. It's super cute. I got it from Finland for a Christmas present. I love it. But I never really got to use it yet, so that's why I'm going to use it for this trip. And I'm also going to be using this Angela Made in Korea little mini bag for some of the products if they don't fit in the love bag, because it is kind of small. And I also chose the outfit I'm going to be wearing that day. So I'm just wearing this See the Good t-shirt. I'm not sure where it is from, but it is super cute. The ends are kind of laced. Leggings by Joe Fresh. Super comfy, just a typical outfit. And I'm also going to be bringing this hoodie from Roots. So yeah, that's a little update on what I'm bringing. But anyway, I am going to go outside right now and hopefully do some exercising before we have to go back on the screen and finish the blog. Hey guys, so it is currently 3:15 p.m. I'm about to go back to work, but before that I'm just going to pour myself a little bit of silk coconut milk. It is super good and I really like it. Before I was drinking the silk coconut almond milk and it just wasn't as good. I'm not even sure. This might even be coconut cream. It might be coconut cream actually. But it is super good. It has like the classic coconut flavor. It's just like so foamy and refreshing. And I really like it. For the silk coconut almond milk, I just found that it was like kind of nutty for me. And since I already have a allergic reaction to peanuts, hazelnuts, and walnuts, I just found that, I don't know, I just best stay away from like walnuts for me, but yeah. And this is unsweetened as well, so there's like an original and unsweetened. I did try the original, but it was like pretty sweet and it tasted kind of weird to me. So that's why I went with the unsweetened. You can taste more coconut that way. But that's just me, I don't know. So that's the update, and yeah. Alright, so hey guys. I successfully finished all of my work. And we are basically all done our work for the day. And for the rest of the day, probably just going to go back outside in the garden, in the yard, and chill. And then go to sleep or just journal for a little bit or whatever. And yeah, so I think that's going to come to the end of today's video. So if you like today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye. And P.S. Stay tuned for the Ottawa vlogs. Alright, bye.